Okay guys, it's time again for another. Today we're going to do another video reaction for Morissette Amon. They're going to do a cover, a song from Mariah Carey, Fly Like a Bird. I'm not sure if I know this song, but maybe if I heard it. It's not gonna be, she's going to do it with Kiko Salazar and Adonis Tabanda. Okay, I don't know those two guys. Why not? I'm pretty excited on this, so I want you guys to join me watching this video. Okay guys, I forgot, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell guys. And if you have any other video that you want me to react to, comment down below. Let's do it guys. Without further ado, let's watch this video now. Okay guys, let's see it. Whoa. Oh, I thought 5 people, it's just 3. I don't know which one is Kiko Salazar or Adonis Tabanda. Comment down below guys which one, because I don't know these two. Nice collaboration.
Somehow I know that there's a place up above. Though my heart is struggling, free from all atrocities and suffering, because I feel the unconditional love of one who cares enough for me to erase all my burdens and let me be free to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord, carry me high.
Oh, I think I heard this song already.
Midnight, need the strength of you by my side. Sometimes this life can be so cold. I pray you come and carry me home.
Hold on guys, let's stop on that part. Okay, even if it's Morissette Amon, you know, everyone knows that she's a Asia's Phoenix, but it doesn't mean that she can hit like high range of notes. She always have to do that one. Even this kind of song, she do it perfectly. She don't have to build any like she don't always have to build in any songs that she have to sing, you know. Let's go back to the video guys. Okay.
A place of peace and harmony, with no war and with no brutality. If we loved each other, we would find victory. But in this harsh reality, sometimes I'm so despondent that I feel the need to fly like a bird, take to the sky. I need you now, Lord.
Nice.
Carry me high.
Nice runs.
I need you, Lord. I need you right here by my side. Keep your head up. With God's love you survive.
Building again. Wow. Oh my god. Oh boy. Alright, that's good. I knew she gonna do that whistle again. Nice song, nice collaboration with the other two guys. They're good, they're really good musicians. And regarding this video, she never fails us again to amaze her. And I'm not surprised anymore because I know she can do it. But I was like excited to hear it again. How many times she's whistle, right? 2 or 3 times? And then I thought that she's not gonna belt this song. Actually, I don't really remember if I know the song, but anyway, she's singing it again. Like she's singing the song of Mariah Carey, and for sure for Mariah Carey, it's gonna be another high song. You know what I mean? So nice, Mari. You never stop amaze us, even me. Okay guys, if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button, and if you have any other video that you want me to react to, don't forget to comment down below guys. And please subscribe to my channel. I'm already in my 8,000 subscribers and I'm on my road to 10,000 subscribers. I need your guys, I need your support guys to reach my goal for 10,000 subscribers. And yeah, thank you for watching. See you. Bye.